Hi guys, it's Matthew here from Throttle Punks. We service and fix up motorbikes and sell a range of CFMOTO, different models. And I'm here to present to you the power kit that we've developed right here in this workshop. Since we own a handful of KTM bikes and like to race with them, you can imagine we spend a lot of time tuning them up, fixing them, adjusting them, just to get the best performance that we can. And we thought it would make sense to use this experience that we have to try and improve the CF motorbikes that we sell as well, just to give them that extra kick, that fun factor. Right, so what we're talking about here is the first component of the power kit, the intake system. We've got two different versions of it. This one's for the MT800 on the right, and then this one's for the rest of the bikes. Let me show you this one. It improves the airflow to the engine. It's a lot smaller than the original intake systems, and that gives you a much better throttle response, much faster, more dynamic ride, and it increases the power as well by about 3 to 5 horsepower, depending on the model, and the torque as well, as you can imagine. Another really good advantage of it is the filter. Get rid of paper filters. This one, just give it a screw, take it off, give it a rinse, put it back on, and you're off, ready to go. So, I'd highly recommend it. It's a fantastic piece of kit. It's produced right here in our workshop in Prague, in the heart of Europe. So the power kit's made up of two parts. One is the intake system, and the other one is the ECU fuel map. And you can get them both as separate components, or get them together. They're tuned to work together and tuned to the dyno, but also the fuel intake system works by itself. To get the modified ECU fuel map, send us your control unit, we'll upload it and send it back to you. If you don't feel comfortable with that, feel free just to get the intake system. One question we often get asked is whether or not installing the system invalidates your warranty. Fair question. The answer is no, but you need to get it installed by an authorized professional CFMOTO service. And if you're interested in our gadgets, have a look at our eshop. It's all available. We ship worldwide. And the address is eshop.throttlepunks.cz. Feel free to have a look there. And we have a system set up for every different model of CFMOTO that you can imagine, except for the 300 CCM series. All right, guys, so enjoy it. Get yourself the kit, and then send us a picture of you taking a wheelie. We want to see it. It's a load of fun.